everyone. What happened? The strength is very less. Okay. Good morning, ma. Good morning, everyone. Is presentation visible for you people? Just message. No need to turn on the mic. It will create a disturbance for others. Okay, today we will be learning mail match. I will divide it into two topics. So first half we will learn today and later half we will learn it tomorrow. So please listen carefully. It's a little bit confused topic, but at the same time, very important also. Okay. So see here. Next one is mail match. Okay. Mail match. What is mail match? What happens in mail match? What is meant by merging? What is meant by merging? Anyone knows the answer? Let me see how many of you know in the message. Then I will ask you with one name. What is the actual meaning of merging? Yes, merging means combining two things or three things or something like that. Yes, exactly right. Okay, merging means combining two or more things. That is called as merging. Mail merging means we are merging the mail with what? With a document. Okay, we are merging a mail with a document. So here, suppose if we have to send some invitation, or suppose if your teachers want to uh, tell to your parents that there is a parents teachers meeting on so and so date, or like our school anniversary and all, what we usually do is we will be what we will do, we will be usually what we will do if there is any anniversary kind of things, what we will do usually, we will call and we will tell, or these days WhatsApp groups are there, we will just send an invitation. But suppose if you are working for somewhere, and or suppose if your brothers or some sisters marriage is happening, you can't simply send in WhatsApp group. Of course, because of this lockdown, obviously people are sending in WhatsApp, but usually we used to distribute cards. Okay, and if you are coming to IT sector, if you are working in an IT sector, usually when you are asking for leave, turn on CC please. Turn on captions please. So if you are if you want a leave, what you have to do is you have to mail. Okay, and if you have to send a report to multiple people, it is highly impossible to send to each and every person by typing it. Okay, so in order to do that, what we will do is we'll merge the mail with a document. Okay, for that, see here, I hope you can see our Word document. Here there is a tab called as mailing tab. Okay, mailings tab. In this mailings tab, we are having start mail match. Okay, start mail match, so that we can create a document and we can send it to multiple people. There are three steps, basic steps for mail merging. First one is create the document, second one is create the data source, and third one is match the main document as well as data source. Okay, I'm repeating again. there will be three steps for mail merging. The first one is creating a document, second one is data source, and third one is merging both data source and main document. Okay, understood? What are the three basic steps? Yes or no? Three basic steps for mail merging. What is this mail merging? If we have to send an invitation to multiple people, then we will use this merging. Okay, so mail merging is basically of three steps. First one is creating a main document, second one is creating data source, and the third step is merging both. Okay, next, in this, how we will create a main document. For that, go to mailings tab, and after going to mailing tab, go to start mail merging. Okay, after going to start mail merging, click on step by step mail. Okay, go to mail merging and then go to step by step mail wizard. So if you go to that, see here you are getting a window with mail merge. In that, select letters. Okay, and next to this there is one, they see here starting document, click on that. Okay, and next, second step, you have to select use the current document. Current document means the document which we opened. Here blank is there, that is the one, use the current document. Okay, and next, after this is how you create the document. Please turn on captions, ma. I'm telling it daily. If you turn on captions, my voice will be coming in the form of text, so that at least you can read. Okay, I don't have any connection problems from my side, and I'm not using phone also. I'm using laptop with Wi-Fi. So problem might be your side also. So please turn on captions. Okay, this is how you will create a document. Use the current document till that it is create document. The next step is creating a data source. In that, creating a data source, click here, select recipients. In this, select type a new list. If you select type a new list, you will get an option called as create. After clicking on create, you have to give the data. Means you have to enter the name, the email ID, and address of the persons whom you want to send that message. Okay, got it? Understood? I'm telling again,